The AR-15 was a civilian weapon that got modified so they can use it in the military, but it was originally for civilians. So the civilians could deal with the wild hogs that are in Texas. There might not be wild hogs in the city, but you still need the guns in Texas and other states. The reason why Japan never invaded the mainland was because under every blade of grass there was a person with a gun. They were too scared. Once the Democrats get rid of your guns, then we can be invaded by a communist country or someone that does not care about people's safety. More people die when they're unarmed than they die when they have ability to get arms.